Limb Geomatics, primarily, we call ourselves a tech company, right? We're a geospatial tech company. We have some foresters, we have a lot of forestry knowledge, but we are primarily a tech company. When we sought to create Stratus, we wanted to make sure that we were getting the views and the opinions from the actual people who would be using this application, right? Like any good design thinking would say, talk to the people who are going to be using it and ensure that they are part and iterative within that process so that you are getting and solving, like you were talking about earlier, the problems that they are having directly. So we went out and found specific subject matter experts, right? We are working with our SFC partners, some of our other existing clients that we have within our Canadian and American industries, and we asked them, what are the problems that you want to solve? What are the issues you have with your previous forest management systems? And if you wish you could do one thing, that's the question, right? What is that thing you wish you could do? We took all of that and we kind of tried to mesh it all together. Still have to prioritize what's coming first and last, but at the same time, we're trying to give them that thing they wish they could do, right? That's the whole goal. I think some of the things that people wish they could do, right, is just easy integration, like we've talked about before. The ability to use your spatial data, pull it from other sources, and have that kind of collect and be synergized within one application, right? So you can go out and, let's say, again, we're talking about the Esri stack since we're an Esri partner. You're going to go out and you're going to collect data with ArcGIS Collector, right? You're going to go out and do some of your layout work, or you're going to do some survey work. You're going to do something, but that just goes back and lives in ArcGIS Online. What if you were to easily consume that, edit that, use that, and relate that to your activities and your actual planning that is in Stratus, right? That's as simple as just linking in a feature service and using a common authentication system to say you don't have to double log in, you can just grab that data and use it right away. That's one big thing, is that integration aspect. Another thing that brings up is that we are starting to look at the entire timber supply chain pipeline, right? So this means that, we talk about planning your activities, monitoring your activities, and looking at the end result of those, getting that kind of feedback loop in. If we want to look at that entire supply chain, let's look at, say, OpTracker giving you updates on how those activities are going, right? What % complete are they? How is your harvesting going? How is your processing, your yarding, and your trucking going, right? Get those real-time, up-to-date information, again, automatically coming in through these nice online-enabled integrations so that that information is there when you need it automatically, and you can get that information as quickly